Hello, everyone. Uh, Welcome to our 2020 lottery in this upcoming draft on January 1st. I'm Victor. Y'all all know me. I'm the crazy Blackhawks fan, the bunch of jerseys. I'm in the basement right now, not in my room, but I'm repping Mighty Ducks, the greatest hockey movie of all time. So, how this lottery will proceed. I have a wheel in front of me right now. It's blank, but I will fill in all our names. Then I'll spin the wheel once at a time, and it'll be the selections and stuff. I wanted to make this seem because since I'm a participant in this season, I want to make this look the most legit possible. So I'm starting the wheel from scratch. I already tested beforehand, and it all worked. So the wheel is right here. I will be adding our names. Whoops, sorry. Uh, as you may or may not know, if you haven't been following on the Discord, the only person that is not on this wheel is Nick because of his, well, I don't want to say mainly, but a pretty abysmal performance in in last year's playoffs. So because we felt bad, well, the commissioners and we all agreed that we will gift him the first overall pick. So this is to determine eighth to second, and this will also determine our snake order for all the other selections. So how I will work this is that like last year, Kevin did started with the eighth overall pick first, moving up all the way to the top selection. So that is what I will do as well. So as you saw, I'm just writing down all the numbers, and I'll be noting all of this down and repeating it at the end for the order. So without further ado, I will start this. This is for the eighth overall pick, which will belong to Derek. Alrighty, Derek coming back out of the basement like Joe Biden, pulling through to come back. We might see his dad make an appearance to tell him who to pick. I'm just teasing you guys. Gotta have some fun. This is for the seventh overall pick. It will be going to Zire. Zire, the winner in last year's playoffs, still hasn't received his watermelon due to Corona, so too bad, but he will get his prize eventually. I finished second, so this is like my prize to do this lottery. I really wanted to do it because I'm pretty bored. My exams are done. Kevin has obtained the sixth overall pick. This man picked Carey Price second overall and still regrets it to this day, I would hope, or else he's delusional. This is for the fifth overall pick, which looks like it will be which will belong to me. I CBA redoing this with all of the intro, so I didn't mention at the beginning, but like I was gonna say, like if I got eighth or seventh, high pick or low pick, I want this to be as legit as possible. So as you guys just saw, I have the fifth overall pick, completely middle of the pack. So we have John, Phil, and Fred left. This is for the fourth overall pick. And it looks, oh, it's going to be close. Oh, it is Phil. Phil, who's had also a high pick in the playoffs because of his standings. I think it was him that had a high pick. Might have been Nick. So now Fred and John left. This is for the third overall pick. The person standing will have second. So it looks like John will have the third, and the newcomer Fred, will have the second overall pick. So let me just repeat all of this. Derek has eighth, Jire has seventh, Kevin has sixth, I have fifth, Victor, Phil has fourth, John has third, Fred has second, and Nick has first. So for those who don't know, but I think everybody knows how snake order works, pretty much since Derek has eighth pick, then he'll also be picking ninth because it's like our order flipped all the time. That's how snake works. I'm not aware of all the picks that have been traded during the season. I do not know if the commissioners will still keep up with those trades or not. But yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this little lottery. I mean, it was important. Plan your drafts well. This will be, I hope, a fun season. I will see you all on January 1st. I'll just repeat it one last time for everyone. Anyways, I'll probably write it on the Discord, but I'll go from the top. First overall, Nick. Second overall, Fred. Third overall, John. Fourth overall, Phil. Fifth overall, me. Sixth overall, Kevin. Seventh overall, Zire, sorry. And eighth overall, Derek. So that is all. I'll be posting this to YouTube. Hopefully everything will work. And yeah, plan your drafts well, guys.